Hi, this is Sualeha Masood, and I have attended 10 days Meditationrevolution course with Asiece Yousaf, and it was pretty amazing. So, what meditation gives to us is not only giving a peace of mind, but a lot of things just open up to us. We get so much focused and we become aware and we start living in the now, and we just think like we are connected and we are one basically. And so many things comes, and you realize that why are you here and what's this mess all around, why is it so, and why people can't come out of these things. It's just basically because our mind never stops. Once our mind has stopped, then we just see the miracles and we just consider everyone as a part of us, and the whole cosmos is us basically. Sometimes people really do want to get into this stuff like meditation, etc., but they don't know how to start and what to do basically. In the beginning it's very kind of difficult, but then if you have something and if you can get access to someone, then it's well and good. So it's a blessing if you have someone around and teaching you how to stop your mind and how to uncover the beautiful things, the mysteries of this world. So go for it, and I'd highly recommend that you should join the course and go and get yourself benefited from this course.